Welcome back to the another chapter of MySQL series. Today we will talk about the foreign key and what is the foreign key, how we can use in the SQL. As a data analyst, this is very important for you to know about the foreign key and primary keys. Okay, so let me take you to the notepad and then I will explain to you. Okay, for example, you have created one table by the name of student, you can say. But what do you think, guys? Is this a right definition for this table? Like whenever you are creating a student table, you will create like this, like a student ID, his name, age, course, duration, fees. Can you see here? In this, what is happening exactly? It's getting repeated again and again. So whenever you will create table like this, you are wasting your space, lot of space. So for that, foreign key come into the work. Okay, so what will be the right definition for this table and how you can define this table in right way? So for that we will create a table like this. First we will create one table by the name of student. Okay, and another table we will create by the name of course, like this, where you will be writing student ID, student name, age and course ID. Okay, so then what will happen if you write like this? Then this first column, you can say student ID, it will become a primary key, and the last column which you have it created again by the name of course ID, it will become a foreign key. Okay, and then what will happen, the another table you have created by the name of course, that this will become a primary key over here. This is, you don't have to write again and again everything, just you have to put C1 C2, like that you can save your data also. So that is why it is very important you to know about the foreign key and primary key. Okay, I hope everybody gets the basic idea what is the foreign key exactly. Okay, let's understand with the example and real what how you can create tables and how you can use it. So without any further delay, let's get started. So as we understand earlier that what is the table, how we can define, like here, as I just now show you about these tables, and let's create the same table in the SQL and then we will understand step by step. Okay, so for example, first what we will do, we will create a table by the name of course. Okay, so for that, how we create the table, right? Simple way, right? That's how we create a table. We will use create table course and we will write the course ID, and then we will give this is as a primary key, right? Primary key. Okay, and then we will create course name as a worker, you can say 30, and then again we will give duration. So duration always will be the integer, right? Integer. You can write int only, and then we will write again piece. Okay, so like that you can create one table. Okay, let's insert some record. So like that you can insert some records. Okay, now if you will check this, select start from. So our record has been inserted. Okay, let me create one more table for the student. Now here we have to define our foreign key and everything. So for that, what we will do, for example, now I will create a table. I will write same thing, create table. Now we will give the table name as a student, right? That's what we are gonna do now. Okay, and then we will write student ID integer. Here we are, student ID will be our primary key. Okay, and then comma, we will write our student name worker 30, then again we will write our age, always will be an integer. Okay, you can write int only, that would be fine, and then our course ID integer. Okay, let's write into only. Okay, now our main part come from here. Okay, so now we have to define our foreign key and reference, right? Now Now main work start from here when you will define the foreign key and reference here over here, because what we will write here, we will write foreign see what is the two common column over here, the course id. In this table also the course id is our common column, so that will become our foreign key. Because in this case what happened, this is the primary key, and then here what is our primary key, student id, the another will become foreign key. Okay, so we will write foreign key, in the bracket we will use our course id. You can copy paste directly from here. Okay, you can write like this. Okay, and close the bracket. Now we will not give comma, we will write reference. From which table we are gonna take a reference? From course table, right? So we will write our table name first, course table. Okay, then we will write the column name, course id. Say until here if you done, that is fine. Okay, if you did this much, that would be fine.
Okay, so I hope everybody understand how we can use a foreign key in SQL. So let's understand now the cascade and why we use cascade and how we can use cascade along with the foreign key. Okay.
It will help you in the future as well. Even the it is the some, you know, even the interview they can ask you a question about the cascade and what is the cascade and why we use along with the foreign key cascade sometime. Okay, so if you write like this, let me remove this bracket, on delete cascade, on update cascade, and let me close the bracket. Oh, sorry. First, I have to drop this table because we already run, right? Drop table student. Okay. Now, if you will run this query, what will happen? Let me insert some record and then I will explain to you in this table. Okay. Okay. Now, what? For example, you try to drop this table. Drop table course. Let's see. Can you see? And it's giving you the some error that course reference by a foreign key, constraint, student, and table and all. Why? Because we have given the specific rule for this table. Here after this is not part of the foreign key, but this is the optional I teach you, that whenever you will use a delete cascade and update cascade with along with the foreign key, what will happen if somebody will try to delete some record from the course table, or try to update some course from the course table, they cannot use it. They have to make changes in the student table first, then it will allow you to delete it or update it. If you try to delete now, the first, if you want to delete this, like for example, you want to drop this table, course table. So first you have to drop the student table. Let me drop it for you, like drop, oh sorry, drop table student. Then you will be able to drop this. Earlier you see it's throwing the error. Now because you use a delete cascade or update cascade over here, that is the only reason it was not allowing you to delete or do any update in the course table. I hope everybody understand what is the use of delete cascade and update cascade. So that's it for today. Till then, happy learning, keep supporting, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.